Hi, I am very excited to meet you and to be your tutor on VIP platform. I have been teaching for a long time, very long time, for more than 5 years. And in these years, I have been preparing lots of students for different learning goals. Now, as a tutor in your language learning goals, I will tell you that my lessons are very uniquely, spatially, and intentionally prepared to master each and every student that I have. I use lots of interactive models, lots of hands-on activity, storylines, and lots of everyday materials and surrounding or things around us to explain the concepts of language. Okay, and I encourage you always as someone on the learning platform to always practice all the time. And in my class, I will help you. My goal, that is my goal, to help you achieve your goal. All right. And no matter how difficult it might seem to you, know that I here is a trilingual English speaker. I speak English, I speak Spanish, I speak Igbo. And if I can do it, you can do it as well. So nothing is so hard or so difficult in this journey. All you need is grit and determination. Okay, and that is why I am here to help you. That is why I'm here with the help of Pearson and the platform. I will be able to help you understand and practice every day on these learning goals. So let's get started on this exciting journey. See you and bye.